Spotify has announced that running mode is getting a wider rollout. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The AI-powered feature for generating playlists matched to your runs is now available on Android in the US, Canada, the UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, and Sweden. The feature, which revives and expands on an earlier running experiment from 2018, is part of the company's ongoing push into fitness. Like running mode on the iOS version of the Spotify app, Android users can access the feature in Spotify's Fitness Hub. You can pick from 25 presets across different workouts and music genres, and further customize your playlist by adjusting things like the duration of your run, want beat matching if you're looking to hit a specific pace on your run, and whether you want to enable or disable audio cues. Spotify started offering its AI-powered prompted playlist feature in January 2026. Alongside a new partnership with Peloton, the streaming service shared in April that requests for workout-focused playlists were one of the most common prompts it received. Running mode is one example of Spotify catering to that demand, and it's not hard to imagine the company coming up with other ways to mix AI and fitness down the road. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.